Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been on everyone's mind, the future of cryptocurrency. Specifically, we're going to explore why 2025 is shaping up to be a monumental year for the entire crypto space. Forget what you think you know, because the landscape is shifting faster than ever, and we're here to break it all down for you. So, why 2025? Why not 2026, or even later? Well, several massive factors are converging to create what many experts are calling the perfect storm for a crypto surge. It's not just about one coin or one piece of news. It's a combination of technological advancements, regulatory clarity, and a fundamental shift in how the world views digital assets. Let's start with the big one, institutional adoption. For years, we've heard whispers of big banks, investment firms, and corporations dipping their toes into crypto. Well, in 2025, they're not just dipping their toes. They're diving in headfirst. We're seeing major financial players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and others not just offering Bitcoin ETFs, but integrating crypto into their core services. This isn't just about speculation anymore. It's about recognizing cryptocurrency as a legitimate asset class. When trillions of dollars in institutional money start flowing into a market, it doesn't just create ripples. It creates tidal waves. This influx of capital provides stability, liquidity, and a level of trust that the market has been striving for. Next up, let's talk about regulation. Now, I know the word regulation can sometimes sound scary in the crypto world, but what we're seeing is the development of clearer, more defined regulatory frameworks around the globe. Countries are finally moving past the should we or shouldn't we phase and are actively creating rules for crypto exchanges, stablecoins, and digital assets. This clarity is a game changer. It reduces risk for both individual and institutional investors. It removes the uncertainty that has held so many people back. With clear rules of the road, more businesses can confidently build on blockchain technology, and more investors can participate without fearing a sudden regulatory crackdown. It's the green light the industry has been waiting for. Now, let's get into the tech, because that's where things get really exciting. The technology underpinning crypto is evolving at a breathtaking pace. Remember the days of slow transaction times and crazy high fees? While not completely gone, we're seeing massive improvements. Layer 2 scaling solutions for Ethereum, like Arbitrum and Optimism, are making transactions faster and cheaper than ever before. This means decentralized applications, or dApps, are becoming more practical and user-friendly. We're not just talking about finance anymore. We're seeing blockchain integration in gaming, social media, supply chain management, and even digital identity. This real-world utility is crucial. When people start using crypto-based applications in their daily lives without even realizing it's on the blockchain, that's when we've reached true mass adoption. And speaking of adoption, let's look at the bigger picture, the macroeconomic environment. Inflation concerns and a desire for assets that aren't tied to traditional financial systems are driving more and more people toward cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which is often seen as a form of digital gold. As people look for ways to preserve their wealth, the fixed supply and decentralized nature of Bitcoin become incredibly attractive. 2025 is expected to be a year where this narrative gains even more traction, especially as more people become educated about the potential of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi offers an alternative financial system with services like lending, borrowing, and earning interest, all without the need for traditional banks. The accessibility and transparency of DeFi are powerful draws that will only grow stronger. Another huge catalyst is the Bitcoin halving event that happened in 2024. For those who are new, the Bitcoin halving is a pre-programmed event that cuts the reward for mining new Bitcoins in half. This happens approximately every 4 years and effectively reduces the new supply of Bitcoin entering the market. Historically, the year following a halving event has seen a significant bull run. The supply is reduced, but if demand continues to grow driven by institutional investment and retail interest, basic economics tells us the price has a strong potential to increase. The full effects of the 2024 halving are expected to be felt throughout 2025, creating a powerful tailwind for the entire crypto market. Let's also consider the evolution of Web3. The vision of a decentralized internet, owned by the users and builders, is becoming a reality. In 2025, we're expecting to see the first breakout Web3 applications that attract millions of users. Think of decentralized social media platforms, where you control your data and can even be rewarded for your content. Think of play-to-earn games that have genuinely fun gameplay, where the in-game items you earn are true digital assets you own and can trade. This moves crypto from being a purely financial instrument to being the foundational layer of the next generation of the internet. The user experience is improving, making it easier for non-technical folks to get involved. Wallets are becoming more intuitive, and onboarding processes are getting simpler. And what about altcoins? It's not just about Bitcoin. While Bitcoin often leads the charge, the innovation happening in the altcoin space is astounding. Projects focused on artificial intelligence, real-world asset tokenization, and decentralized physical infrastructure networks are gaining serious momentum. Imagine being able to own a fraction of a real estate property or a piece of fine art through a token on the blockchain. This tokenization of real-world assets, or RWAs, is a multi-trillion-dollar market waiting to be unlocked, and 2025 is the year we'll see it really start to take off. This brings tangible, real-world value onto the blockchain, bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. So, let's put it all together. In 2025, you have a massive wave of institutional money entering the space, providing legitimacy and capital. You have clear regulations emerging globally, reducing risk and encouraging investment. You have technology that's faster, cheaper, and more capable than ever before, enabling real-world use cases. You have the macroeconomic backdrop of inflation, driving people to alternative assets. You have the powerful post-halving effect, creating a supply shock for Bitcoin. And you have the explosive innovation of Web3 and altcoins building the future of the internet and finance. It's this convergence of multiple powerful trends that makes the outlook for 2025 so incredibly bullish. We're moving beyond the early adopter phase and into the early majority phase of the technology adoption curve. This isn't just a speculative bubble. It's the maturation of a revolutionary technology. Of course, it's crucial to remember that the crypto market is still volatile. This is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The journey will have its ups and downs, but the underlying fundamentals and the direction of travel are becoming clearer every day. The surge we anticipate in 2025 isn't just about price charts going up. It's about the dawn of a new era for finance, technology, and the internet itself. It's a paradigm shift, and we are all witnessing it unfold in real time. The conversation has shifted from if crypto will succeed to how it will reshape our world. What are your thoughts? Do you agree that 2025 will be a landmark year for crypto? What specific projects or trends are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video insightful and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things crypto and Web3, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.